Tired of dashboards overloaded with endless scrolling? Let's transform your Tableau dashboards by mastering the art of cramming multiple sheets into one space. First things first, you'll need multiple worksheets. Each sheet should represent a different view of your data cards. Tables, maps are all great starting points. Make sure these views are informative to your users. Now, open your dashboard view, drag your worksheets onto the dashboard initially. Tableau will likely stack them vertically, horizontally, or seemingly haphazardly. Don't panic. To organize, think containers. Select a container either vertical or horizontal depending on how you want to arrange your sheets. Then, drag your worksheets into the container. This allows you to control where your sheets go and ensures that all sheets are not free-floating. To format, right-click on the worksheet within the container and select Fit. You can choose Fit Entire View to ensure the sheet uses all available space, or Fit Width or Fit Height. Experiment with different fitting options to get the best visual presentation of each worksheet. Take dashboard interaction a step further by including filters and highlights. These allow users to explore data across multiple worksheets simultaneously, enhancing their interactive experience. For example, apply a filter to one sheet and see how it changes charts in a second sheet. Finally, add descriptive titles and labels to guide the user. Consider a clear, concise title for the entire dashboard and consider creating clear titles for individual sheets. Well-organized content leads to better comprehension and a more engaging data story. And that's how you get the most out of your Tableau dashboards.